Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Appreciate you tuning in. This week's video is about a mural that I had an opportunity to paint for a restaurant in Alpharetta, Georgia. It's called Namak, and it's a Pakistani restaurant, so I hope you have a chance to check it out. It's at 5220 McGinnis Ferry. It's going to be a good spot. This year started out great for me, and I truly appreciate the restaurant owners trusting me to paint their mural. I started the mural by meeting with the client and asking them if they had any ideas in mind, and they provided me with a picture. Now, I had to explain to them that I couldn't do exactly like the picture, but I could certainly let it influence, and as a matter of fact, heavily influence my design. And as you can see here, I have sketched some of the figures in. I did use a pencil to sketch them all in. Second day, I got off the ground running and was able to palette knife in the mountains and get a base layer for the sky and kind of get going on the figures there. I had a bit of a challenge with the positioning of the main guy, so I went home and did some research on my own, take a picture, and came back and did some computer work and realized some things there in the evening. So the next day I got a really good fresh start and redid some of the positioning of the individuals. So the leg, you can see, is different on the main guy. I lengthened his vest. I gave him more of a chest, and I kind of made some tweaks there. And so I was really on a roll that day, that second day, and making a lot of headway with getting the mural done. Just the fine tuning. Right now I'm doing some of the rope work on the drum, which was a lot of fun. They did request the drum to be kind of on the brown wood looking side, so that's what I did there. Then I realized, I need to make a clear distinction between the mountains and the sky. So I reinforced some of that color there, came back in and did some sponging, and that helped to make it look a little more cohesive when I smoothed out the background with the sponging. So that took a little while. But then I came back in and did some other work. I was constantly stepping back and looking to see what I could do next, and what needed reinforcing and all the little details. And so I came back in and kind of strengthened the color on the legs and some of the white. It's kind of difficult to paint with white and actually get dimensions. So I did bring some black in there and just kind of for the shading and shadows of the folds in the pants. So that was a little challenging, but it's just like painting on a canvas, not too different. You can see the finished result here. I was very happy with that. And when you first walk in the restaurant, make your way over, first thing you see is that mural. So I'm pretty proud of it. I hope you're able to go and take a look. And I hope that if you have a mural need, whether it be in a home or business, give me a call. Look me up on Instagram at Pink Jean Art. I'll be more than happy to come out and give you a quote, and we can talk about your design needs, and we can make something custom for you. All right, well, thank you so much. If you have any questions whatsoever about this mural or how I can help you, please do give me a look up. All right, take care.